What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. What is up with that lighting? The lighting is trash. Anyways, yeah, we're back at it. I don't know who we're playing tonight. I do know that next week is the playoffs and the week after that is the championship game. So I'm gonna use this game to just fine tune some things. Hopefully we get a big dub tonight. The last game I played, had a really good game, a lot of good shots, good opportunities. I stayed tight in the net, so that helped me out a bunch. Today I'm going to be using an old stick. It's a little bit taller, so it's going to keep my stance a little bit taller than my other stick, which is about like half an inch lower to the ice, so which keeps me in a lower stance. Yeah, if you guys are enjoying the content, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe on your way out. And yeah, we will see you guys out on the ice. We just scored to make it 1-0. 16 minutes and 30 seconds left in the first period. We just scored to make it 2-0. 15 minutes left in the first period. We just scored to make it 3-1. 8 minutes left in the second period. We just scored to make it 4-3. 50 seconds left in the second period. Oh, we just scored a tie. It's 5-5. 11 minutes and 20 seconds left in the third period. We just scored to make it 6-5. 8 minutes and 40 seconds left in the third period. We just scored to make it 7-6, 3 minutes and 38 seconds left in the third period. We just scored to make it 8-6, 1 minute and 30 seconds left in the third period.